Hello students, good afternoon. I hope all of you are fine. In the previous class, we have discussed our unit 14 and 13, correct? Today we will do only unit 15, okay, and tomorrow we will do our unit 16, okay. So what we are going to do here, that our title is subject and predicate, okay. So what does that mean? Think about it. So what are the things here? That subject and predicate. So what is the meaning of subject and what is the meaning of predicate? So I have, when I explained tense, present tense and other tense, that time I have used word subject, right? And we know that what is the subject? Subject which who does the action. Like I am teaching English subject. So who is teaching? I am, right? I am doing action of teaching. So that means I am the subject. And remaining part of the sentence with verb, we call it as a predicate. Okay, that is the thing here. Nothing more is there. Okay, student, let's see. So a sentence is made up of two main parts. Our sentence is made up of two main parts. What are those main parts? That is the subject and predicate. What are the two parts are there? That is the subject and predicate. Okay, then what is the subject? So let's read it. The subject of a sentence is the noun or pronoun that is described or does the action. The subject tells us what the sentence is about. Okay, so what is given here? What they have told us here, that subject of sentence, who is subject of sentence, is the noun or pronoun. So there might be one person name, thing name, or he, she, it, they all, that also pronouns also might be written. So either one, noun or pronoun, those are our subject, and that described our does the action, and they are doing the action that it describes. Okay. The subject tells us what the sentence is about. What our subject is telling, that what the sentence is about. Our sentence is about what? That our subject says. And what is the predicate then? Predicate of sentence gives more information about the subject. Likewise, whether our subject is playing, reading, teaching, watching, whatever our subject is doing, about that it is showing or giving more information about the subject. The predicate always contains the verb. Remember this point, it is very important, that the predicate always contains a verb. Okay, that the predicate always contains a verb. That is the very important point. Okay, you can see here, your house is beautiful and airy. Airy means where air can come and go, that is that kind of place. So here, your house, that is our subject, and is beautiful is our predicate, and a full sentence from is to end. You can see second sentence, that is a she played football with her friends. Like suppose see here you see subject is playing with her friends. So she is the our subject, and who what action she is doing, that is playing a football. So played football with her friends, that is our predicate. Both Seema and Naina. Seema and Naina both. So that is our subject, and acted in the play, that is our predicate. Okay, this is how we can identify subject and predicate. In this sentence, the word in the blue are the subject and the underlined group of words are the predicates. Okay, shall we go further? Okay, so let's see our exercises. Okay, so let's see here what is our exercise. A says to us that circle the object and underline the predicates in the sentences. Okay, so one is done for us. You can see first one. The train was late by 2 hours. Who is late? That is train. So train is our subject. Ask the question to the question sentence. So who? So that is the train. So that is our subject. And remaining part was late by 2 hours. That is will be our predicate. Correct. You see second question, that we must eat fruits and vegetables every day. So what can be the answer? Think of it. We is our subject, correct? We is our subject and remaining part is our object. So let me highlight it for you. Yeah, you can see here, must eat fruits and vegetables every day. So that is our predicate. You can see the third one, the little child crossed the road carefully. Who crossed the road carefully? So the little child. So the little child is our subject and cross the road carefully, that is our predicate. Correct. Nothing is difficult here. So let me highlight that also. Yeah, that is the correct. So fourth one, you see Mr. Sen and his team attended conference. So here Mr. Sen, who attended conference, that is Mr. Sen and his team. So Mr. Sen and his team, that is our subject, and attended the conference, that is our predicate. Correct? Yeah, that is the answer. Let's see the fifth one. The most of the students completed their work in time. So who has completed their work on time? That most of the students. So that is our subject, and remaining part completed their work on in time, that will be our predicate. So that is the answer. And the last one, that is the huge ship faced problems sailing in the rough seas. So huge ship, that will be the our, what we can say, that will be our subject, and face problem sailing in the rough seas, that is our predicates. Okay, so this way we can give the answer. Okay, so let's see further in the exercise. Okay, yeah, here that is our exercise B, that match the subject with their predicates, that is the our task. So subject and what subject is doing, or the sentence which shows the what subject is doing or giving information about subject, that we need to match. So you can see here one is done. The farmer sold his harvest at good price, right? So farmer what can do is, my father's office sold his harvest at good price, went to the lake for picnic, am going to visit my aunt on Sunday, had no water to drink in the jungle, celebrate its Independence Day on 15th August. So what are the things farmer can do here? That he can sell harvest. So sold his harvest at a good price. So that is the correct answer. Here it is connected, right? So similar way we need to connect others. Okay. Second one, you see the animals. So what animal can do? So animal stays in a jungle, right? So you see had no water to drink in the jungle. So that can be the answer for animal. I hope so, right? Remaining answer for humans, right? So our answer, this should be the correct one. So this will be the correct answer like this way. Okay, that is our answer. Had no the animals had no water to drink in the jungle. Similarly, you see the third one, that tall buildings, that tall building, what building says is my father's office went to the lake for a picnic. Building cannot went for picnic, right? Am I going to visit my aunt on Sunday? That is also wrong. Celebrated its independence, that is also. So the tall building is my father office, right? You can indicate that way. So that is the correct answer. Similarly, my friends and I went to lake for picnic, right? That is the answer. India, what India celebrates Independence Day on 15 August, right? That will be the correct answer. This predicate indicates our subject, that is India. And I am going to visit my aunt on Sunday. That will be the answer, right? So these are the answers. So let me show you again the answer. Correct way. Okay, so let's see here. Yeah, you see same thing I have selected, right? The animal had no water to drink the jungle. The tall building is my father's office. My friends and I went to the lake for a picnic. My India celebrates its Independence Day on 15 August, and I am going to visit my aunt on Sunday. Correct. So this way you can give the correct answer. Okay, student. So let's see further. That is our exercise. See what it is say, that complete the sentence with the subject from the box. Here see, first exercise, that we have to identify subject and predicate. The second exercise, we have to match subject with a correct predicate. Now third exercise, what it says, that what we need to do, that we just need to select the correct subject for appropriate predicate. That is our task. You can see first one. Suppose there is no answer there. Okay, there is not answer given. So what can you write? Suppose this answer is not given. Okay, this is not given. I am cutting it. Revolves around the sun. What revolves around the sun? You see this box. An engineer, obviously the engineer cannot revolve around the sun. Saira, Saima, the thief, the earth, or giraffe. So the correct answer can be the earth. So that will be the answer. So this is our first answer, right? Similarly, you see second one. Blank space has a very long neck. Who has a very long leg? That is a giraffe, right? So the giraffe has the long neck. So this is our second answer. This is our second answer, right? Similarly, you see the third one. Just we need to identify appropriate. What appropriate? Subject. Okay. Let's see third one. Blank space, escape from the police. Who can escape from the police? Obviously, the thief will escape. So the third answer, thief is the third. Blank space are twins. So two member can be twins. Right? When twins we are talking, so it means there are two members. So Saira and Saima is the only option given who has a two noun, right? Two persons. So this will be our fourth answer. Saira and Saima are twins. Blank space, rested under a tree. Who can rest under a tree? An engineer? No. The farmer rested under the tree. So right, farmer will rest. So this is our fifth answer. And builds bridges and building. Who builds bridges and building? So engineer builds that, right? So this is our sixth answer. Okay, right? So we got our all the answers. So let me show you what are the answers are there, right? I have wrote it for you. So let me show you it. Yeah. You see the first one, the earth revolves around the sun, the giraffe has a very long neck, the thief escaped from the police, Syra and Saima are twins, the farmer rested under a tree, an engineer builds bridges and buildings. You see, these are very easy, right? Do you find difficult here? No, I don't think so. It is difficult, right? So shall we go further? Yeah. So let's see exercise our D. What we need to do, write suitable predicate for each subject. One has been done for you. So here predicates are not given. We just need to write down. Okay. So let me show you what I wrote here. I will just explain for you. Yeah. So what aeroplane can do? So first one we will see. Okay. The white horse. First only thing is given white horse. Suppose this is not given. Gallop away from us. That is not given, right? So what you can write that the white horse galloped away from us, that you wrote. In the place of galloped away from us, you can write other thing. If you find other, the white horse runs very fast. That also you can write. Right? The white horse runs very fast. In the place of galloped away from us, you can write runs very fast. That is also a predicate, right? So here we need to write appropriate predicate, which we are finding appropriate. Okay, so I have wrote what I felt. You can write if you are, but make sure that our sentence meets the our proper way. Okay, in a proper grammatical way it is written, not random words you write. Okay, you can see the second one there, the aeroplane. So what aeroplane can do? Aeroplane can fly, right? So aeroplane will fly from New Delhi to Mumbai. That also you can, to Surat. That also you can write. Or it is already flew, right? It's already happened. So in past tense you can write flew from New Delhi to New York. So whatever you find comfortable here you can write. Okay, third one you see Madhu and Hema. So Madhu and Hema are twins. That also you can write. Or Madhu and Hema are very good dancer. Or Madhu and Hema are very good singer. That also you can write. So whatever you find is the correct or appropriate, that you can write. You can see fourth one, the grocer's shop is close to my house. The grocer's shop is going to close by 9 a.m. 9 p.m. sorry. That also you can make a sentence. Here is close to my house. I wrote that way. So you can see I am showing you example. What are the ways you can write? Right. Fifth one, the policewoman caught the thief. The policewoman fought with the thief. Right. That also you can write. So here I wrote caught the thief. So this way you can write the predicate appropriate. Okay, suitable predicate, they have mentioned that whatever suits here, that you can write. Okay, not randomly that the policeman woman is close to my house, that is the wrong one. So we can show the what about more information about predicate, sorry, subject, that we will write in a predicate. So here whatever predicate I wrote, that shows the information about the police, sorry, subject, correct? So that way you need to write. You can see sixth one, the school notice board had the names all the winners of the quiz, right? The school notice board had the name all the winners of the quiz, had the notice about coming up quiz. That also you can make a sentence like that way. So similar way you can make a sentence whichever comes in your mind. but it should be suitable, not a randomly whatever comes in your mind. That means doesn't mean that you will write whatever things. Okay, you need to write with a proper suitable predicate. Okay, so we have studied here in a subject 15 that who is a subject, who is a predicate, how we can identify it, and after that we have seen what are the predicates and subject can meet. Then we have seen what are the subject is appropriate for given predicate, and what are the for a subject we wrote few predicate also, right? So this way we have finished our unit 15. In the next class we will see our unit 16. So in a homework, what you need to do, you need to write down all the exercise in your notebook. Okay, and be prepared for your our term exam and unit test 3. This is going to be soon to start. Okay, only just you need to do is that prepare your exercise, and from that only our SAM term examination will be there. Okay, nothing much more will be there, so don't worry about that. Okay students, so be prepared and try to remember spelling words also. Okay, in our next class we will see our unit section, that is by tomorrow. Okay, thank you.